Welcome to everybody here on Facebook. It is Monday, and I think it is the 22nd of January. And I'm really excited to be back. I was on leave for a week where I just relaxed and had some me time with my family. But I'm really excited to be back. It's like they say, it's good to go away, it's good to have a holiday, but there's nothing better than being at home. And that is what I'm so excited about, because now I can get to do what I love to do, and that is play around with Builderall and help you guys out to achieve the best that you can within our wonderful platform. So if you are brand spanking new to Builderall and this is the first time that you are watching this, you are so very welcome. And just remember, if you've got questions, that is what I'm here for. You can drop it for me right here in the comment section, and I will look at that and I will answer your questions here to the best of my abilities. And if you want to join me in a live Zoom session, you can do that too. That is on Thursdays. You can just go take a look in the Facebook group, and I'm going to show you just now in a moment where all the events that's going to happen in this week is located, so that you would know exactly when, where, and how. And that is the purpose of that. So before we get going, even to our old people that has been in Builderall for a very long time, not old people, but people that has been in the platform for a long time, you are very welcome as well. So before I start sharing my screen, I'm just going to make double sure that everybody can hear me and see me. So if you wouldn't mind, can you please drop a comment, #live, if you are watching right now? I would really appreciate that. And if you are somebody that is watching the replay at a later stage, it's also a good idea to type in #replay, because that way Facebook is going to start showing it to more people, and they would also benefit from the same information. All right, so let me just make double sure that everybody can see me by just going to Facebook quickly and go take a look at the comments, #live, and that means that is right there. And still, Facebook is doing that little, can you support me by sending stars? I really don't know what that is about. So let me just keep on refreshing my screen, because I'm not sure it shows up in Facebook for some reason. I'm just going to go out and go back again. Sorry to keep you guys. It looks like it's right here. Excellent. So I just want to delete that comment here of my own about the stars, because I don't like that. So hello, Alex. It's been a while. And Manon, it's good to see you guys. And everybody else that is watching. We've also got Linwood, which is fabulous. It is excellent. And Clarabelle. Unfortunately, Facebook don't show, or StreamYard do not show me everybody that is the names of everybody for some reason. Some just say Facebook user. So please excuse me if I do not call your name out during this live. All right, so what is happening this week? I'm going to start sharing my screen so that you guys can see exactly where you can go and what is happening this week. So let me just go to the Facebook group, and I'm going to start sharing with you in a moment. So present, and I'm going to share the screen, and I think this is the right one. All right, so I'm going to scroll down a little bit. Right at the top of our Facebook group, you're going to see I always pin the post at the very top that says feature right here in this area. And that is everything that's going to happen in the next week or so. And you would be able to go there and just click on whether you want to join it or not, like yes or no or maybe. And that way you will be notified when I actually go live. And you can plan your diary according to that. So the very first one that we've got here, you can see we've got end-to-end training super checkout. And that is happening on Monday, the 29th. Now, for those guys that do not know, about 2 weeks ago, I started a whole new workshop, which is called End-to-End Training for Tagging, with inside of our platform, all the different kinds of tools that we have where you can make use of a tagging option. I'm starting going right through each and every tool. We've already done the CRM, and then the next one is going to be Super Checkout. And so we're going to go on with a booking app. We're going to do integrations with mailing bars, workflows, all that nice stuff, everything to do with tagging. And eventually, at the end of the whole process, I'm going to show you how you can use all of these different tools with inside of one website to be able to show you the power that we have. And what I mean about the power is that you're going to have one website with one email list, and you're going to have all these different things happening inside your site: funnels, bookings, purchases that's been made, visits to your membership pages, clicks on your mailing boss emails that was sent out. And all of those things is going to have tags, and you would be able to send emails according to those different tags, which is going to help you not to have so many lists inside of Mailing Boss. Because I can tell you, right in the beginning, when I just started in Builderall and I started my web agency, I had so many different kinds of lists for one client and another amount of lists for another client. And it becomes so populated that I thought, this is it. I'm going to have to learn these tagging things. So it's really going to benefit you. So that is the first one that we've got right here for tagging. It's 3 p.m. EST time on the 29th. Then we've got our weekly questions and answer session. You can see this is also 3 p.m. and that happens on this Thursday. And you can join me live in that session if you go to university.builderall.com or University Live. If you click on it, you're going to see the information. You would be able to join me live in that session and ask your questions. Really important to be there, especially if you want to learn new things, you want to speak about strategy. There's always a few people in these meetings. Some of them have got agencies as well. And it is really a good benefit because we really bounce ideas off each other and try to figure out anything that comes across our path that might not work for us, or maybe ideas that is working for us. So make sure that you join those sessions. There is a replay. You are welcome to go watch the replay as well. And then we've got the one that's happening right now. And we also have, I just want to go back, the getting started session. I don't know why it's not showing up here. We've got our weekly Q&A. There is the getting started session. It just moved up for some reason. And that is for brand new people in Builderall. And also if you have got a downline that you have and you want to send them to a specific area where they're going to get more information about the platform and how we can help them out, that is a good place to send them to. It happens on a Tuesday at 4 p.m. EST time. And that is basically all there is to that. I'm going to stop sharing my screen so I can talk about other things with you guys. The other thing that we have is the Builderall Dream Builder Awards. Guys, this is a biggie. It's really awesome. If you haven't seen the emails that's been sent out to you, make sure to go check in your mailbox. There's a lot of information in those emails, and it really makes you excited. I've also just posted a new post inside of the Facebook group with regards to all of the things I'm going to talk to you about today. Maybe just in a little bit more of a humorous way. I like to add some humor to posts. So you can go look at that post and it's going to give you all the information I'm giving you right now as well. And that is about the Builderall Awards that we have, is that you can also participate if you are a paid subscriber within our platform. There is $5,000 up for grabs if you are the one that's chosen, and it happens on a monthly basis. All you need to do is really mention Builderall, write your story. There's a few things in our terms and conditions that you have to follow so that you would be able to stand a chance to win that $5,000. That's a lot of money, guys. That's really going to help your business take off. And that's not all. You can also still, it doesn't matter whether you win or not, you're going to get $100 towards a certified partner that you want to use on our Fiverr certified partner program. And you would be able to pay that towards something that you want to build, whether it's a sales funnel or a logo or a website or help with an email sequence. That is really going to help you to get going. All right, so that is the basics of that. So make sure to go check that post out on Facebook group. You're going to see it right there at the top. And then we've got, let me just see, the next one is, I almost forgot about it, our promotion, the new Biz 30. It's a special that we're running. It's a 30% discount on any plan for the next 3 months. and it is a perfect way to level your business and take it to new heights. So make sure that if you're watching this right now and you do not have an account yet with Builderall, and you go to the checkout pages, you just need to type in new biz 30 and you would be able to qualify for 30% discount over the next 3 months. Now, the fun part for our associates out there. If you guys wonder what is an associate is somebody that is an affiliate marketer. We call our affiliates associates because you are partners with Builderall. That is why it's so important. And if you are one of those guys, we've got something very, very cool for you. And it is called it's called the Associate Exclusive Lifetime Discount. This is really cool. You can offer the people that you are selling to 40% discount on the premium plan forever and ever and ever. That is really, really cool. And the coupon code for that is 40forever. So make sure that if you are somebody that wants to sign up with Builderall, you can only get this through a associate. So make sure to go find that associate if you want to qualify for that fantastic, fantastic offer. All right. That is basically, let me see if I've got questions with regards to that amazing things. If you guys think it's amazing, let me know in the comments that is an amazing offer. If that is not going to help you to bring people to Builderall, then I really don't know, because we've been offering so much. It's not just the discounts on our premium plans, but we're offering and helping you with promotions like the Builderall Dream Awards, to get you out there and get you active and get you to start building your website. And even if you don't win, you get $100 just like that, just for participating. And that is the beauty of our platform. We really want you to succeed. So let me see if we've got any questions. It doesn't look like there's any questions yet. All right, so that is that one. Before I'm going to talk about sales funnels and the difference between sales funnels and web pages and bridging pages and landing pages, because I really think if you are brand new to Builderall, or even in the digital marketing world, you're going to hear a lot of hype or a lot of jargon, if I want to put it that way, of words such as sales funnels or a bridging page or a landing page or an opt-in page. So I just want to clear everything out, explain to you exactly what that is about, but I'm going to do that very last. For now, I want to give you guys some updates as to what is happening on our platform. I am sure, and I'm actually not just sure, I'm convinced that there are some people that already know about this update, because you cannot miss it, especially if you are an active builder and you build a lot of websites. You're definitely going to see that. All right. So I'm going to start sharing my screen with you again by clicking on present, and I'm going to go to the tab and I'm going to share. Great. So you should be seeing my screen with a girl that says yay, because that is exactly what it is. I'm very excited, and I'm going to tell you why. Because multiple times clients will come to me and they will say, Jackie, I want to create this website, and then they start filling out my form, because I've got a little form that they complete to let me know what is certain elements that they want on their website, such as a color scheme or a theme or a logo. And one of the very important things is fonts. And I always speak to them about fonts, especially if they want to make use of an uploaded font. I have no problem with uploaded fonts. Understand that. It's just that a font that has been uploaded that is not web friendly, it really renders and already really take a lot of your capacity for the site to load fast, if that is the right way to say that. So it's not so fast, your website. It slows down your website, the more different kinds of fonts and things that you use. So in the past, because they want to use a specific font, they would kind of force me to use it. And I might not find the font, or I can't upload it in the correct format. And then I need to use screenshots, or I have to go back to Canva, design the text that they want in that specific format and bring it into the website. And it's got its down points if you do that, because it's going to affect your on-page SEO. Because now, obviously, your SEO is not going to, that text is not going to be read as a headline because now it's an image. So that's always been a problem. And when I saw this change in our platform, I really, really got so excited. And the reason for that is because it's all about fonts. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. So right here on my screen, you can see I don't have any text. I'm going to go to the top and I'm going to explain this because, especially for those that are newbies, the top bar here means this is global fonts. So the fonts that you change in this area is going to affect the fonts on your complete website. So once you have got it there, if you start adding any text from this area on the elements area, all of the fonts that is right here is going to automatically be what you have chosen it to be right here in the global fonts area. You don't need to go and double click and change a font every single time because you are setting it up straight away right here from the top. Now, as you can see, you can still upload your fonts. If you really want to, you can go for it. It's really not a problem. But I'm going to slowly go down. And I've got the font family here. And you will know if you are an avid builder in Builderall, you're going to immediately notice that there is some changes. You can already see we've got some funky things happening right here. There is Artiga. That is also a brand new one. There's Beba's new. There's Breathe. It almost remind me of Canva, to be quite honest, because Canva has got all these cool different kinds of fonts that you can choose. So you need to go through this and you're going to see there's a lot of awesome fonts that they've added to this area. So now for this example, I'm just going to click on Breathe because I think it's just cool. I'm not going to change all the fonts for all the other areas of the website. I am just going to change it to the title H1 because I want to show you that. And now we're going to add the text. As you can see, it's already changed it. I'm going to drag and drop. And let's write here, thank you. And I'm just going to have it as thank you. And you can see how gorgeous this looks. This is really, really funky. Let's go play around with another font and we're just going to go to the next one. And I wouldn't say don't do this with, don't have multiple fonts on your site. I'm just warning you because again, it takes time to load fonts, right? You want to make it at least making it sense at what you write. So let's go see. I've got this Adela. That looks funny. Let's do that one. And I'm just going to go. There it is. It's already, see how quickly it changes? Builderall is just the best. And this makes me want to create a website for kids. I think this is such a beautiful font. And that is basically what has happened on our platform. I'm going to stop sharing my screen and I want to hear from everybody out there, everybody that's watching. What do you think about the fonts that's been introduced? And are you using it? I can already see we've got great offer delays for a Christmas gift. Definitely, that promotion is more than a Christmas gift. And tell me what you guys are thinking about the fonts. I'm waiting for you guys to respond. To see, hello, Willie. It's great to see you, Will. It is so great to see you as well. And Chris. I haven't seen you guys in ages. I think it's time that you join my not getting started session, my Q&A sessions on a Thursday. It would be really cool to have you guys there if you can make it, obviously. All right. I'm going to give Facebook a little bit more time to give me feedback on that. I love it. I need to start using other fonts. I'm so great. I think the option is great. Can't wait to use it. Oh, me too. I think it's the best thing ever. It's absolutely the best thing ever. So that is going to give us more opportunities to create more beautiful sites and just makes it a little bit more interactive. All right, so let's start talking a little bit now about sales funnels, the different kinds of things that's happening out there. Sales funnels is literally an automated sequence of pages and actions that guide your potential customer towards a main conversion or a sale or acquisition, as we call it. All right, it could be conversion or acquisition. That is the same thing as a sale. That is the whole purpose of a sales funnel. Now, sales funnels can have multiple pages to it added. There could be a lot of pages added, not just one. You could have your opt-in page where you're offering them a freebie. They might go confirm their email, then they're going to be sent to a page where they can download it, or they might be sending to another page which could offer them a small type of offer for, let's say, an ebook that they can purchase to help them. And if they purchase that product, it can lead to another product, which is called an upsell. And if they don't want that product, it can lead down to a downsell. So that is what a sales funnel is essentially. It's a range of pages that are connected to one another that leads into a conversion or acquisition or a sale. All right. So unlike that, you also have a landing page where you have one offer and one click to action. It's basically just a button where you're asking them to do something specific. It's very much like an opt-in page where there is an email attached to it. People are giving you their email address in return for something else, and then they land onto a thank you page or a download page, or it could even be a sales letter page of information of a specific product, and it leads to a page where they're going to do a checkout. All right, that is the basics of that. The purpose of a landing page is also to generate sales, but it is not necessarily connected to multiple different kinds of pages. Now, on the other hand, a bridge page is used to warm up your incoming traffic before you send them into another direction. For an example, if you are an associate of Builderall, you know that we've got all those different kinds of funnels, and you don't necessarily want to send somebody directly to it. You first want to capture their details, and for that, you're creating a bridge page where you are going to offer them something awesome that they want in return for that email address. And once they confirm, they're going to go to the page or the funnel that you have set there to be. So that is basically the differences between them. And then people say, now, what is a website then? I thought the sales page is the website. A website is just a page where you've got a domain connected to it. But to make it easier for you, for me, the way I always explain it, the website is the home of your business. It's the place where your sales funnel reside, your bridge pages result, your landing pages, your opt-in pages. So all of the things I've just mentioned now can form part of your website or the hub where everything is happening, the home of your business. So some people might say, can I have a sales funnel? Absolutely. You can have a complete website where you can give information just like the normal services websites out there. And at the back end, you can have your sales funnels running. Because remember, you don't have to connect everything to everything. You can have them separated on your site. And to go even further, you can even create a subdomain that is connected to your main website so that it makes navigation a little bit easier for you and to be able to handle it a little bit better. It's also great for SEO, by the way. So that is basically all there is to my session today. I don't really have much more to say. I think that was a mouthful in anyways. I just want to urge you to go back to Facebook, go look at the top post I've made, read about it. It gives all the information I've just given to you today, and then you will be up to date and ready. And that's basically all from me. If there is no more questions or anything, let me see. I don't see any questions coming in here. We only had that one and this wonderful one that says great offer, delay Christmas gifts. But otherwise, there is nothing more. I'm going to love you and leave you guys. I'll see the new people in the Getting Started session tomorrow. Otherwise, I will see you in the Zoom session on Thursday. That's all about me, guys. Have a great day and be safe. Bye.